So if
Oh.
you take a YouTube video of yourself and put it on Facebook, Facebook hates you a
Oh.
little bit. But if you go Facebook Live, now Facebook has a big heart for you.
How do you do? I have to do a broker open, a virtual broker open Thursday. How do I do that? Do I just FaceTime? I go there and FaceTime, or what's the
Yeah, I
best
think
way?
it's a great way to do it. I mean, I think promoting it is everything, just like promoting a virtual open house. It's probably the easiest way to do it. You hear about virtual open houses, and there's so many different ways to do them, but I'm finding most of our clients, whether it be a broker open or just an open house, I would do it by FaceTime, because most agents, you can reach them there on Facebook. So promote it leading up to it. You know what I mean? Maybe go on canva.com and create a little digital image
Okay.
that you can kind of post and even direct message to a few agents on
Oh,
Facebook.
got it. Oh, okay.
That makes sense? You
Yes.
can create a Facebook event around it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So that
Oh,
people
yes.
can join the event, so that way they get reminders on Facebook.
What about? Oh, all right. Maybe I'll even do it through MLS, right?
Uh-huh.
Through
Then I'd also do a quick video of yourself, a Facebook Live promoting your Facebook Live.
Okay.
Okay, this is a whole lot of you, Lillian, which is awesome, out in front of brokers and the public, telling people, A, you're staying first of mind. Everyone sees you working. See what I'm saying? So you're there. And people are starting. Now's the time as we're coming out of COVID, which is I'm calling the spring now, is coming out of COVID, because we are coming out. You know, some slower than others, but we're coming out. Like, people are going back to work at different stages and phases, like it or not. I'm not here to talk politics. Lord knows I'm tired of that. So point of the matter is, we're coming out, right? And if you want to come out and get business, they need to see it's socially acceptable to do business. So if you're out there, Lillian, telling people, hey, we have a house for sale, you could be for sale too, is what you're saying, right? And we're out there marketing that house for sale, which means I could market your house for sale. You're showing people it's okay to move forward with your life right now. And you're also proving it can be done safely.
Yeah, so maybe I should do it within the same time we normally do it, like Thursday, 12 to 2.
Yeah, I think for a
Just do
broker open, that would be
15-minute
really
thing?
smart. Yeah, you don't even have to buy them food or anything, which is
That's
awesome.
right.
That's great. You could just be eating a taco or something, you know, like, I got stuff. That'd be funny.
Thank you.
You could be eating, yeah. Bring your own food. But yeah, I would do it, and I think it's the same thing with an open house. I mean, there's lots of ways to do a virtual open, but I'm seeing the most traction coming off of Facebook Live, because what happens on that Facebook Live, either way, with the broker open or the public open house, you're going to do it on Facebook Live, and afterwards it sits there. And you know who loves Facebook Live? Facebook. Facebook loves Facebook Live. So Facebook wants you to love Facebook Live. Facebook hates YouTube because YouTube is owned by Google. So if you take a YouTube video of yourself and put it on Facebook, Facebook hates you a little bit, okay? Because you just took their main competitor and put it on Facebook. We don't ever want to do that, because no one's going to see it, because Facebook hates it. So not many people are going to see it. Facebook's algorithm is going to squash that down. But if you go Facebook Live, now Facebook has a big heart for you, because you use their own in-house video process. So everyone's going to see it. So as that Facebook Live, even after you're done, it sits there in your newsfeed and everybody else's newsfeed. Facebook's going to make sure everyone sees it. And what's going to happen is, over the course of a day or two, it's going to rack up hundreds, if not thousands of views, Lillian. So what'll happen is, you can actually show that to your seller. You can screenshot it or whatever and say, look, that broker open, I mean, we got 940 views on it. We never would have gotten that many agents through a normal broker open. And you're going to see the same thing's true with an open house. You can just blast an open house out there, and it's going to get tons of views, and everyone in your spheres of influence that hopefully you're friends with on Facebook are going to see how much traction your open houses are getting. And I don't know if it's real. I'll be honest with you. I am not sure. I cannot prove that Facebook's numbers are real, because they just seem unreal. They're so high. How many views your videos get when you do a Facebook Live. But you know what? I don't know that they're not. I've never heard any evidence they're not. And it's going to make you look awfully good to your sellers, to show them how much exposure you got for their house, and it's going to look great to the other people that sees the exposure you're getting for your client that watch it themselves. If that makes sense.
So should I just do the reverse prospecting and invite them to the Facebook Live, say Thursday at noon, something like that?
I think it's great. I think that's absolutely great. Yep.
All right, I'll do that.
You know, there is, I mean, I'm not going to get into too much of this right now, but I will tell you, I'm going to scoot myself a little bit closer here. Seeing I'm kind of far away. I want you guys to see how nice and smooth and aerodynamic my head is. There is a thing called Facebook retargeting where you can actually take a database. So if you have a database of all your real estate agents, you can upload that database of contact information into Facebook, and you can actually advertise over a period of time leading up to your event to all those brokers about your virtual open house. And it's pretty cheap. So that's one way you can do it. Now understand, you can also do that with your SOI, your sphere of influence. If you have all the people you know, like we teach our clients to do, if you've got the contact information for all of your people that know who you are by name, at least as an acquaintance, in a CRM, which you should,
Getting there.
then export that into Facebook and market directly to them. And that's called Facebook retargeting. Okay. So you can market to your SOI that way. You could also, for real estate farmers that like to farm neighborhoods, you're trying to attack a certain neighborhood. If you have the database, the contact information of all the people that live in that neighborhood, you can also export all that contact information right into Facebook and market just to that neighborhood. And those ads can just be specific, like I'm the Meadowbrook Estates expert, or here's your Meadowbrook Estates market update, and that's what a lot of farmers are doing. You know, it's digital farming now, and it's very, very effective.